Hey guys, so I wanted to make sure that you didn't think something happened to me. This is my situation, okay? Um, this is day 2 of me set up. I set up yesterday, which was Monday. And I was like, I don't know how many people are actually going to show up on a, weekday for a yard sale, but oh my word, um, it went well. I have a bunch of clothes and things and, all set up here. I just kind of want to go through and show you what I got. The clothes really aren't selling well. Um, I have the little doll bench and, things. I have stuff marked down ridiculously cheap because I'm cleaning out the storage. It's in that trailer out there. Um, I mean, I'm letting some of you that have been in my channel from way, way back will recognize some of the stuff that I had in my house. And stuff I use for setting up and things like that. And things I've made in the past. So, you know, and dolls that don't really fit the kind of dolls I keep, and so, yes, I have a ton of fake nails sitting here. And of course, I have all this 8mm, including the crank style Howl camera. The lighting. There's even films in here to watch. The thing that you put up to the screen is there. I just sold 2 huge totes full of craft stuff to my friend Tina. How many of you remember me doing magnolia design stuff? I have it out here. I have all these sunglasses out here. I mean, I did 165 yesterday. I've only been open for like maybe 45 minutes today, and I've already done $20 today, which, today I figured if I did 30, I'd be doing good, and I've already done 20. So I asked Alan, don't you want to keep a spare one? He said he's already got a spare one, so, he didn't really need a third one. But yeah, I don't need it. If I want to make a milkshake, I'll use his. I just sold the other one of these aeroplanes. So I don't have one of them. Got the little men in it. I have all these, I did so much crafting. And look, an empty tote. I actually have 4 empty totes, guys. And if I put all the stuff together into one tote, I literally will have like a ton of empty totes. These totes were all full when I brought them out. I mean, I know I have to put all this stuff into a tote, but I can literally put this stuff into like that green tote and fill maybe one more tote with all the stuff into one tote. Then I have my jewelry stuff, and then over here is personal stuff that I didn't realize I was just grabbing totes and bringing it out, guys. Literally, that's what I was doing. So, and Tina took a lot of stuff, which made me happy. That was even more than I don't have to put away. And y'all know my furniture, a chair I'm just gonna probably give away because I did try to clean it yesterday, but it didn't clean so well. It's been in storage. It didn't do well. I mean, this was already like this when I had it. I just had a tablecloth over it. It's to keep records in. My leather top table. I ought to get this out. If people saw this, they probably would buy it. Bookshelf. It came from Walmart. Of course, my Ethan Allen table. Look what happened. It was too close to the door, and it got kind of between the winter and the summer. things happen. My favorite table of all time. If you watched my crafting videos, you would see me turning that table into what looked like a marble fireplace. I really want to keep that table. But they all sat with one end towards the, if you can see, they all sat with one end towards the door. And then we have the VHS cabinet, another bookshelf. It just didn't wipe everything off. But yeah, that's what I've been doing for the last 2 days. I wanted to put something up for you guys. And I will probably update this in a little bit. And I have to go. I'm going to do some things tomorrow. I've been talking to Lisa on Facebook. And, you know. Anyways, guys, I'll be back in a little bit. And I still have so much stuff in the trailer. I do. It just is what it is. So, all right, guys. I'm going to sit here, put my feet up because they're already swollen, and take my time. I'll be back. So I'm going to give you a quick update because I know this video is going to be really short, but I got hit with a ton of people. And I think earlier I said I was like, I don't remember. I hit $226 and I still have the furniture. So do you know how much small stuff I've sold? Like the totes are pretty much empty. When I closed down the yard sale today, all my crafting stuff and little stuff like this that I don't want, I'm not going to keep, is going in trash bags, and I'm taking them to the thrift store because I'm not packing this stuff back away. Granted, I could throw most of this into like a couple of totes, but why do I want to hang on to this stuff? I don't need it. I don't need this stuff, right? So when you let go of all of this stuff that you really don't need, I might keep the glass pumpkins, or they're not glass, but you know, things to do things for Halloween. That's different. But all this other stuff that I don't need to keep. Y'all know what I mean? I'm going to keep I got my really good glue gun. That's the thing. I kept my really, really good glue gun that somebody gifted me. I still have it, but quite a bit of the stuff is just going to go to the thrift store that I don't really need. So there's that. But oh my gosh, this feels so good to look out here and realize for 2 days these tables have been jam-packed full. The totes have been full. There's been stuff piled on the ground by the totes. For 2 days I've been doing this. I used 2 of the broken totes. A lady my friend Tina filled them up full of crafting stuff. I made her a deal, and I let her take 2 broken totes. I still have a really, really big tote that's broken. It's not real bad broken, but it is broken. But there really isn't enough crafting stuff to even make somebody a deal out of it anymore at this point. But yeah, I feel amazing. This is so cool. So cool. I'm going to probably keep my yard sale going till 2. That's when it's the hottest part of the day here. And I think I'm going to have Alan pull my signs. And I'm going to close down the yard sale. And I'm slowly going to bag up stuff. I'm going to toss it in the back of my car. I didn't really sell any of the furniture. I really want to keep that half round table. I love it. But where would I put it? But it's going back in the truck because I'm not going to part with a couple of things. But yeah, I'm ecstatic. I am so excited. I did sell a pair of the shoes. I sold one of these things. I made pillows out of them before, and I still have the polyfill. I might just make pillows out of them again. But holy cow, guys. Holy cow. All right, I'm going to sign back off again, and I'll give you an update at 2 o'clock when I start before I start picking up. Love you guys. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I started picking up and I realized I was going to tell you guys how much I'm sold. I mean, there's not much left. This lady that's pulling out right now, her and her kids were just here. They bought a bunch of stuff. I actually went out in the truck and got my 2 partial bags of polyfill. She says she can't find polyfill anywhere without having to go to the city. I don't know why our Walmarts are not carrying craft stuff. But even though I didn't really sell really big stuff, I started picking up. She went through everything. She picked up what she wanted. And I sold $15, and the signs have already been pulled, but she knew where she was going. And I'd already started picking up, but that's okay. So, guys, I don't have a whole lot to put away. I really don't. Now, I'm going to try to put you guys where you can see this. I'm going to count. Everything in my wallet is actually what I made. So I'm going to try to angle you guys where you can see me counting. And yes, the AC is running. So maybe if I put you here and do like, I don't know. I took apart my tripod and that was a mistake. Okay, you're still filming. Okay, let me sit. I'm taking a lot of my stuff to the thrift store, what's left. And let me pull out all of this. Okay. Today was phenomenal. Let me get all my money in order so I can count it for you guys. I'm hot, everybody. It's like over 100 degrees. And that's not with the heat index. I want to make sure I have all my... Okay. I have no... Let me see if I can pull you guys towards me a little bit. You can see some of my mess. Okay. So I have none of my money's in here, and I have... Anyways, I forgot what else I was going to say. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Oh, what I was going to tell you is I did not sell any of my, do I have all my money out there? I believe so. Okay. Did I count that right? Or did I put her money in my pocket? Okay, well, whatever. 200. I did not... I'm just making sure I have it all out. Sell any of my furniture. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. $251. I thought I was going to be done because I just sold $15 to her. I thought I was going to be done at $226. So $251. I thought that was a pretty good and I'll use this as my thumbnail. So that's going to be my thumbnail. So I think I did pretty good. 2 days just throwing out stuff that out here, nothing big sold, except for I did give the lady a really good buy on my Magnolia Design stuff, just to get rid of it. I mean, she was going to buy it and not take all of it, and I told her 15 and you get everything, and she was like, oh, okay, because she was like 25, she didn't really want, you know, and I was like, oh, I didn't mark it down yet. So, but anyways, I don't have a whole lot to put back away, which really makes me happy. So, especially when I take the stuff that I'm not going to, you don't need to look at all the junk on the table, especially when you figure the stuff I'm going to take to the thrift store that I'm not going to keep, which is quite a bit of that stuff on that table. I don't need it. I don't want it. It's going. So I have to go get some trash bags, bag it up. A couple of the stands over there is going on in the car too. But it is so hot right now that I just can't take it. So Alan already pulled up the signs. The lady was already up the road when he pulled the signs. My ads are down. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you guys. I'm so glad you're here with me today. And I'll talk to you guys down in the comments below. Let me know what you think I did. Seems like most of it was small items except for what big items did I sell? Really, the $15 tote and 2 big $5 totes full of crafts. I didn't really have any big items sell because my take apart doxies are still there. And if anybody's interested in them, I will ship them, but you have to pay the shipping. Just a heads up, you'd have to, you know, reach out to me. But anyways, all right, I'm going to get off here and get this video ready to go up. It'll be late going up, but guys, thank you so much for everything you do for my channel, all your likes and comments and hyping. It really pushes my videos out, and that is how I can afford every month to be able to get the extra bead box. That's really amazing to be able to do that, and I appreciate you all. So I'll talk to all you guys down in the comments below. Bye, everybody. Find my little button. Bye.